Hi everyone, welcome to this short TikTok video where I'm going to show you how to remove a filter on your TikTok video. So when you try to post a TikTok, sometimes the default filter can be added automatically. Now in order to remove it, you'll need to tap on the plus icon on the bottom from the home screen of your TikTok and then tap on the FX tab on the bottom left. Now as you can see, the cartoon filter has been automatically added on mine. If yours also has been automatically added, to remove it you can simply tap on this option on the top left of this menu, and as soon as you do that you will see that you have now successfully removed a filter that was defaultly added. So that was a quick video on how to remove a filter from a TikTok video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more of these videos, also make sure to turn on the notifications for more future updates. That's about it for today. Thanks for watching.